Welcome to the in front of me OPPO Reno5 Lite, and I'll show you how to enable the ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here find the sounds and vibration section. Now as can you see, our ringtone volume is disabled. Just to turn it on, swipe with your finger to the right side, and that's it. Also we got the second way. Just here on the left side of your phone you got the volume buttons, and just press on the down or to the up or to the down volume button with your finger, and here just tap here on this icon, and as can you see right now your ring volume is activated. Also you can just tap here on the two dots and you can just enable your ringtone volume by this way. Just swap it to the up. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.